With that, your perspective of life, all our
To be one of your hosts for today. The paper is 70%. All of you.
Dr. Noel Espallardo, father figure in research in our community. Analyze their data and of course, finally write their paper.
Dr. Marlene Reconcheca.
Morning, doctors. 20 years from now, despite technological advances in clinical management, diabetes will overwhelm the health system globally, raising the urgency to optimize non-pharmacologic treatment such as diabetes self-management education and support. Regulated through national policies, DSMEs develop 7 self-care behaviors which have achieved beneficial health outcomes among patients with diabetes.
My question first is, we're talking about allied health professionals.
Good morning, doctors. I am Dr. Riza Villanueva, presenting our study examining how sleep quality and daytime sleepiness may be associated to self-perceived physician work performance. As family physicians, we are entrusted with something deeply meaningful: the health of patients, families, and communities. Sleep plays an essential role in cognitive functions such as attention, judgment, emotional regulation, and decision-making.
The moment that we are all have been waiting for, the announcement of the winners for the oral research contest. So, it was a tight score for all of them. The difference were in the decimal points only. That means that all the presenters were well prepared and presented us a well-researched paper. Yes, they all deserve a warm round of applause, everyone. Congratulations to all of you. We all learned about the researches done by the reporters, and they were varied, tackled the different issues that we are all facing right now in relation to our patient care, to the communities that we serve, and as well as families that we take care of, and as well as human resources for health. So with that, congratulations to all of you. I will be announcing the third place with a score of 88.93%. The winner is Dr. Willie Ann Yuon Agojetas. Congratulations, Doctor. The second place with an average score of 89.42. Our second placer with a research paper entitled Prep Awareness and Readiness Among Future Healthcare Professionals and Cross-Sectional Study of Allied Medical Students in the Philippines. Sana narinig niyo pa ako, no? Alam ko sa mga bosses nila dito. So, the winner is Dr. Danilo Gallardo. Congratulations, Doctor. With an average score of 89.64. So, pag ni-round off natin, 90% na yun, ano? So, the first place and the overall winner for this year's oral research contest is the one who presented efficacy of community-based diabetes self-management education in glycemic control among Asians with type 2 diabetes mellitus, a systematic review and meta-analysis made by Dr. Camille Joyce Cruzada. Congratulations, Doctor.
So invite Dr. Villanueva and Dr. Kainagan to receive the certificate of participation.
Again, to all our winners, congratulations, and to all our presenters, thank you very much for participating in our annual research forum.
I'd like to express our gratitude to all the institutions and the chapters who participated in all our activities. So we're just turning this. Generate data na kailangan thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Lindsay. So,
Hindi ko moral support lang yun.
So, thank you for everyone. So, on behalf of the organizer of the research event and participant, we extend our sincere gratitude to everyone.
At least yung bukas presentation, wala nang... Oo. Number 1 tayo. Isa pa. Ito na. So, lipat na tayo.
Almost all are preoccupied in taking care of their own families. Rearrangement of his wife's workplace in her company got approved. I used the Echo Map and found it to start. A sense of closure, acceptance, and hope were given to the family. Working in this case provided symptom relief, empowered quality of life, and guidance to all family members. Realizing, sa mundong ito hindi natin alam kung kaninong pamilya tayo isisilang. Ngunit ang pamilya pa din ang pinakamalakas na tagapagbigay ng suporta sa anumang hamon ng buhay. Higit sa kahit anupaman, ang pampalubag loob ay ang pamilya. Maraming salamat.
Dr. Lisa Angelica of Gethsemane. Presenter number 3, Lupag Loob, Dr. Robbie Jose C. Abanto. And Dr. Fatima F. Kunting. Congratulations to our finalists. Truly, the future of PFA is very bright. Hindi po biro mag-submit ng manuscript. At sa buong Pilipinas, sila po ang ating top 4. So before we announce, let me read the citation.
So, very difficult. The scores were great. And we had a tie for the Best Presenter Award. So, our best presenter is presenter number 1.
Presenter number 1 from Visayas.
Presenter number 3.
Presenter number 1, Dr. Lisa Angelica Apoy, Garden of Gethsemane. Presenter number 3, Lupag Loob, Dr. Robbie Jose C. Abanto.
The next award is the Best in Case Innovation. We have the presenter for Lupag Loob. And for the next special award, we have one winner only. So we have the presenter for When Strength Has No Choice. Presenter number 2, congratulations! Thank you for sila talaga ang nagbibigay ng results. Nag-a-announce lang ako. So, I hope this will not be an error. Tell me. So, we will give the third place winner. We have contestant number 4, our double barrel reloaded. Congratulations! For second place, we have presenter number 3, Lubag Law. Congratulations! And for the winner in this year's first case contest, we have presenter number 2, Joyce. Congratulations!
Truly the future of PAFP. These are our future. The future of our academy. Congratulations to our winners.
Thank you. Good evening, everyone. I know you've witnessed
Siyempre, doktora.
Grabe kayo, ang lakas cheer nyo kanina. To thank the judges read the 50 cases and came up with the top 4. And of course, the 3 power powers and our goodness gratitude to all more than 50 cases presented.
One of life support is part of this one. And given to Institute Medicine, Bernas Waffles. So you use everything.
Hi! Let's go! Magsisend ka sa Wongka next year.
Yehey, kinukuha na namin.
Normalization in 51%, meaning there's a very significant reduction of the liver.
Go.
Everyone hitting her.
You're a diamond physician.
Happy girl!
Wait, nagbubo ka si Jensen? Nagbubo ka daw?
Palladium Lafayette. Sisters, char.
Hindi ko alam kung ano ito yung natin. Take out mo lang.
Apo.
Dear water.
Hi!
Hey!
Yan. So, nakauwi na kami after eating. So, ngayon, we're visiting the amenities area. Where's your eye? Your other eye. Whoa! Okay. Day, anong day? Day 3? Day 3 apong kahatid niya lang ako. Going to Icon now. Naman. Hey, May! Sino pa panglalay? Sa mga speaker, bagay mo na tayo. Hey! Okay, bumaba na kami. Hi! Hello po. Hi, Doc. Okay.
So, this is footsteps, right? You can't accumulate. Alright, here we go. I think this is the last batch of slides.
Okay, tapos na kami kumain. Punta naman kami ng Marriott kasi merong parallel session there about climate health, planetary health. Okay. Ito. Okay. Yay! Thank you. Sorry.
And working to build our network. Take strong action to planetary.
Part of policy, part of practice in the community, in the hospitals. So the rest of the other.
Thanks everyone and thanks Minan. Experiences with the Wonka APR network and connect. You act quickly to save the planet, to save our patients, to save our lives. Thank you.
Okay, tapos na kami. Iba naman. Okay, dyan naman tayo. Taas daw. Thank you po daw.
The plan or sometimes difficult cases they do. Like in my clinic, we see 80 to 90 patients. So you already know you are down to 7 or 8. So doctor, you must use the first part here. Okay. So 7 and 8. Okay. So next, you want to ask yourself. So the signs of infection you've already told. So what would be the next management for this patient? Yeah, you need to take a swab, you need to check a culture and decide an antibiotic. So for a busy clinic, this is very easy for the staff. Alright, so my next question, do you think this patient needs debridement? Yes. So it depends on your facility. Can you do it in your place or do you need to refer? Like in some of our clinics, they are very small, they may not have the thing, so they will refer. Like a big clinic like mine, where we have some kind of a dressing debridement team, we can do it there. Okay, so now it comes, what is the dressing material that you need to use? So you just turn it behind. So 7 and 8, the staff will know. Either they must use some kind of alginate dressing, which has chemical debridement, they'll put that first. Then it's exudative, maybe they want to put a foam. So I'll put these two first. Rather than randomly picking something and putting that thing. So this is the concept that we have tried to do in this plan will be. Alright? You need to create more.
Hi! Nice to meet you. Okay, lipat na kami. Back to Icon for my talk. Char. Ayoko, wala ka ba na? May coffee break pa naman. Prepare, wrap up. What an honor! What an honor! My tech is a champion. Thanks, Locams.
Family case report on dementia with previous marital infidelity and navigating psychodynamics in later life. Trust is the glue of life. It's the foundational principle that holds all relationships intact. Marriages fall when the love couples loses trust. Our case deals with behavioral change with 3 possible sources: broken trust, demented mind, or a traumatized psyche. Will the family love each other more today than yesterday? Good afternoon. Caring for a person with dementia impacts everyday family life, needing the clinical eye for red flags for dysfunctional patterns.
Family assistance and support must be given until they have adapted to the permanency of the outcome, which is the hallmark of healthy family function. It is vital to acknowledge the therapeutic triad as doctors to reinforce care by actively involving other members of the family. In the Philippines, the family remains the cornerstone of dementia prevention, with early childhood education playing a vital role in reducing the risk. Introduce early palliative care to guide them through disease progression. Dementia programs must be supported, especially in universal health care. Truly, a 6-star family physician is crucial in guiding families in making life decisions, providing compassionate care, expert guidance, and unwavering support beyond expectation. Transforming lives in ways that matters most to empower patients and their families by navigating to a future of holistic health, making their days count and not count the days. As we close, breathe and reflect. If you were MD living with dementia, how would you go on? One thing's for sure, it's comforting to know that your family loves you more today than yesterday. Thank you.
Hi! Hi, Ralph. Kamusta? One! Thank you po, Doc. One! Hi, Lord. Salamat at natapos na po ang mga mental load. Okay, on the way to the next. Yay! 1, 2, 3, go. Hi! Hi! Okay, itiya muna. With batchis. Hey.
Actually, maganda ang kalok. This is really
Hi! Alay lakad. Pwede naman kaming hi. Lakad. Hi. Hi. Hi, Bless.
Ayun na yung bless natin, lumagpas. Ibang habol, sininong, ay, Tito Gibbs.
Lakad-lakad muna tayo, pampababa ng kinain, and completing my daily steps. Hi, haha. That. Lalabas tayo.
I love you so.
I love you so. I love you, Babab. Smile. Okay na, smile na. Pangit sa picture pag di naka-smile. Uy, tatawa na yan. O, video yan, di lang picture. Oh. Oh. Ayan. Kami ka... Ayan. O, sama ko na siya, ha? O, ayan na. Tayong tatlo. Oh. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right. Ako, di ba ba ito? Happy kayo? Are you happy? Aris ko. Wow! Okay, dito na kami pero walang ilaw. K-tag. Okay, icon at night. Okay naman dyan. Yes, may accountability bodies. Yeah. Trekking. Woo! Kasama mo po. Hi. Ihatid mo ba kami? Ihatid mo ba kami pabalik?
As much as I want. Nasamahan ka nga namin babalik.
I can attest.
Pero pagdating namin dito, hatid po kami.
At hindi natapos. Wala nagising bukas. Hi! Nakarating din kami. By foot. Yeah! Hi! Ikot.
Hindi ako makakasama.
Okay. Ano tayo?
Daan na kayo.
Good morning! Birthday!
Morning, ayan o.
Birthday of Bongka! Walking naman kami ngayon, yay! At least start na yung steps namin. Pero ang init, naka-jacket ako, wow! Tayo. Alay lakad!
Through an interaction we have here from a medical standpoint. Now the question becomes, what's the jobs?
Hi! Congratulations! Thank you, Doc! Done na, lipat naman tayo. Kasama natin ang kapita-pitaya, Doc Ro.
The next person.
Hopefully you are still on track. Issues such as climate change, plastic pollution.
One is just population, the third one is major the success of air pollution. What kind of problem we can
Kind of program for our health. Yeah.
and also
in groceries because mainly plastic bag is very
and something which a lot of countries are now working on as an established goal is brilliant. I think one thing we could probably do a little bit more of is being very specific in terms of how we're achieving these.
For disaster mitigation. So I heard from
somebody or help somebody, but actually they focus on prevention and air pollutions, and then we focus on so many like the first of this our
Very good identification of your target audience. Core messaging, reduce air pollution. So this is strong because you are targeting not only where they are, where they live, but also in school. So this is something very important. Perhaps maybe making the link also to, of course, we are also exposed to tobacco harms like children, and of course, vaping is such an important public health.
Sorry. Okay. 1, 2, 3, smile. Congratulations on your graduation.
Lipat naman sa lunch symposium.
Good morning, Iloilo!
Parang 1-3, 1-4, 1-5.
Wait. Okay, it's Friday na. Nag-check out na kami from Palladium and I will still attend Wongka today. Later on, we will go to Guimaras. Opo. Ayan, si Gab-Gab.
Or you will... Okay.
I learned so much already and met new friends. Our careers are very demanding.
Okay, balik na kami sa Icon Hall. Attendance! Ay! Okay. Nice to see you guys! Congrats!
Very important for the family.
Good luck!